Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stew less spicy. Start by tasting a small spoonful to gauge heat, then choose a fix based on the spice type. If heat comes from chili, try dairy like yogurt or cream. For oily chilies, skim fat and add acid or starch. Work slowly, add in small amounts, and taste between adjustments to avoid overcorrecting and maintain flavor balance. If your stew is too fiery, start with dairy for immediate relief. A few tablespoons can soften heat quickly. Add a peeled potato or a handful of cooked rice to the pot to pull out excess spice, then remove before serving. Brighten the dish with a small splash of vinegar or lemon juice to counteract lingering heat. Always add acid gradually and taste frequently to preserve the stew's intended flavor. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like for more kitchen tips. Quick recommendation: the new Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading while your stew simmers, with a glare-free screen and long battery life that keeps you company during slow cooks. I find it perfect for recipe browsing or fiction between stirs. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. For a balanced result, use small amounts of sweetener to soften sharp heat, and dilute the stew by adding broth, tomatoes, or more vegetables to stretch the spice across a larger volume. Avoid adding extra salt until after other fixes, because salt can amplify heat. Adjust herbs and aromatics like cilantro or parsley to refresh the palate, and simmer gently to let flavors meld before tasting and final seasoning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.